Hello children, once again welcome back to Maths class. What we discussed in the last class? Yes, we have discussed about the personal letter and also we learned the main elements of the letter and how to write a personal letter. This was about our previous class. So let's come to our today's class. Today we are with block 12, LP4, possessive nouns and pronouns. So, look at this first word, possessive. You know this word? What do you mean by this possessive? Yes, the children sometimes will show possessiveness. What do you mean by that? Possessive? Yes, showing the ownership. Like, they will say, this is my mama. Or this is my papa. Or these are my toys. They will say like this, right? Actually, they are showing their ownership. That is meant by this possessive. Then nouns. Yes, nouns means names of person, place, thing, animal. That we know clearly. Then let's come to this name together. Possessive nouns. Possessive nouns means a noun that is showing this possessiveness. Okay, for example, see. This is one pencil and this is my son's pencil. You know his name? His name is Ahil. So, ma'am can say like, this is Ahil's pencil. Am I right? Yes, I can write like, this is Ahil's pencil. Okay, so here in the sentence you can see two nouns. Which are the nouns? Yes, one is Ahil and another one is pencil. So, from these nouns, can you tell me which noun is showing the possessiveness? Which noun is showing the ownership? Yes, it is the word Ahil. This word is showing its ownership. That means this pencil belongs to whom? Ahil. This pencil belongs to Ahil. Ahil is the owner of this pencil. So, this word Ahil's is possessive noun. See, here you can see a symbol like this. What do we call this one? Yes, this is apostrophe. You know this, right? So, this apostrophe we are using in this possessive nouns. Means Ahil, the word Ahil, after you can use this apostrophe, then after you have to write the letter S. Ahil's pencil. Okay, so this is the possessive noun here. Then children, can you replace this Ahil with some pronoun? How will we replace this Ahil with some other pronoun? Did you remember any pronoun? Yes, Ahil is a boy, right? So for boys, which pronouns we will use? Yes, he, his, him. These all are related to boys or man. So here Ahil is a boy. So we can replace this name with the pronoun his. Am I right? So, I can write the sentence like, this is whose pencil? Yes, Ahil's pencil. Okay, this is his pencil. It is changed like this. This is his pencil. So, here I have used a pronoun. So, this is called possessive pronouns. That means this pronoun is showing the ownership. This is his pencil means this is Ahil's pencil. Clear? So this Ahil with this apostrophe is called possessive nouns and this is called possessive pronoun. Okay, for example, I saw Maya's shoe. Okay, so here in the sentence, which one is possessive noun? Yes, this Maya's. Possessive nouns we we can see this apostrophe. Okay, so this Maya is the possessive noun. So how can we replace this Maya with pronoun? Yes, we can replace this Maya with the pronoun like I saw her shoe. Got it? That means we have replaced this Maya with the word her, with this pronoun her. I saw her shoe. I saw only Maya's shoe, not anybody else. Okay, so this her we call possessive pronouns and this Maya is called possessive noun. Got it? So possessive nouns means we can add with an apostrophe with the letter S to the nouns, and possessive pronouns means like his, her, your, our, their. Right? For example, this is our house, or this is your phone, this is your book, or that is my pen, or this pouches belongs to me, this is my pouch, or I am the owner of this pouch. Right? So we can use so many pronouns, so many possessive pronouns for showing the ownership. Okay, children? Okay, now Nan is writing some words here on this board and you have to tell me its meaning. Okay, the first one is boys, then boys, and the third word is boys. Okay, so look at these three words. At the first sight, you can say that these all are same words, right? Boys, boys, boys. Three are same. But is there anything different with these words? Yes, what do you mean by this first word? Boys. Boys means it is the plural of a boy. More than one boy. That is meant by this boys. And what about this boys? Yes, as I already told you before, this boys, it is showing the ownership. That means this is the possessive nouns. Boy's book, boy's pen, boy's toy, boy's pencil. That means everything belongs to this boy. And here, this boy is single. Means only one boy we can see. That is mean by this boy. Okay, then let's take this third sentence. Boys, children, here also you can see this apostrophe, but where you can see that, yes, it is after this S we can see. But I told you, no, in this possessive nouns, we can see this apostrophe with this letter S. But where we can see that, it is we can see after this noun. Means most of the time this apostrophe is standing before the letter S. But look at this word, where this apostrophe is standing. Yes, it is standing after this letter S. Boys. So what do you mean by this? How it is different from this word? Boys. Children, this is also we call possessive noun. But what is the difference? See this boys, this means this is not single one, not a single boy. Then it is plural. Means this boys means it is a group of boy, more than one boy. It may be 2 boy, 3 boy, 4 boy, 5 boy. Likewise, more than one boy is called boys. So we can say that boys' pencils or boys' books. Likewise, we can write after this boys' books. That means all these books belongs to this group of boys or boys. After this boys, pencils. Means all these pencils belongs to this group of boys. Okay, likewise we can make these type of sentence for showing this possessiveness, for showing this ownership. Okay, then let's see one more example for this. Ma'am told to submit girl's book. Okay, so this is the sentence. See, what do you understand from this sentence? Yes, ma'am told to submit girl's book. Whose book? What is the possessive noun here? Yes, no doubt. This is the possessive noun because in possessive noun we can say the apostrophe with the letter S. But you have to check the position of this letter S and also this apostrophe. Here we can see there's a group of girls. Means it is plural. More than one girl. So this means man told to submit some girls or many girls or all the girls from the class. That is mean by the sentence. Okay children. Then I want to ask one more thing. Can you replace this possessive noun with the possessive pronoun? Which pronoun we can use? Can we use like ma'am told to submit her book? Can I replace this girl with the pronoun her? Is there anything wrong with the sentence now? Yes, it is wrong. Because this girl means there is not only one girl. Many girls are here. So for this group of girls, we can use their. Right? Their means more than one. Okay? So I can rewrite the sentence like ma'am told to submit their book. Okay, their books. Okay, after this books we have to write S because this is the plural one. Girls is the plural noun. So for this girls we have to write this nouns with S. Okay, so girls books or submit their books. Okay, now it will be fine. So children, hope this is clear to you. Okay, so in this possessive nouns we can see the apostrophe with the letter S. But in this possessive pronouns, that means like his, her, our, their, your, my, mine. These all are we call this possessive pronouns. But both these possessive nouns and possessive pronouns are showing the ownership, that are showing the possessiveness. Got it? So now I will show you one video that is related to this topic, possessive nouns and pronouns. Let's watch it.
This is Natasha's skirt. This is Tom's hat. This is Dan's photograph. This is Nikki's cat. He uses apostrophe S, a special sign, to talk about these things. It is called an apostrophe and S. A noun can show what it owns or possesses.
We add an apostrophe S to a noun to show ownership.
A noun that shows ownership or relationship is a possessive noun. For example,
the cat's dishes.
The apostrophe S shows that the dishes belong to one cat. A possessive noun always comes before the noun that belongs to it. For example, Tom's hat. The word Tom's is the possessive noun. certain rules are followed to form possessive nouns. We add an apostrophe s to make a singular noun possessive. For example, the witch's broom.
We add only an apostrophe to make a plural noun ending in s possessive.
For example, the witch's broom. We add an apostrophe s to a plural noun that does not end in s to make it possessive. For example, the deer's antlers.
Okay, children. So, did you understand about the possessive nouns and possessive pronouns? Okay. So, now let's take out your workbook. Page number 23 is for possessive nouns and pronouns. First one, underline the possessive pronouns and circle the possessive nouns in the sentence. So, what you have to do? Yes, you have to underline all the possessive pronouns and circle all the possessive nouns in the sentence. Then second one, fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. One is given already. My family loves me. I love my family too. Means here we can see some possessive pronouns inside this bracket. So you have to choose the appropriate possessive pronouns that is matching with this sentence. Then third one, write the correct possessive noun to show belonging. Okay, to show belonging, you have to use the correct possessive noun. The painting belongs to the woman, so the woman's painting. Then the blanket belongs to the child, so the child's blanket. The house belongs to Mr. Patekar. Yes, Mr. Patekar's house. Likewise, you have to change this. And fourth one, rewrite the body of the letter in your notebook using the correct possessive nouns and pronouns. So children, here what you have to do, you have to read this given paragraph and rewrite all the mistakes that happen here in this. Okay. Then in your practice question, page number 13, 1-3, here you have to complete the questions 1, 2, 3 and 5 also. Okay. So this question number 1, 2, this you have to do it in this textbook itself, and question number 3, 5, these are you have to do it in your notebook. Okay. So this is all about our today's class, and if there is any doubt regarding the possessive nouns and possessive pronouns, you can contact me. So I'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.